If you're getting into stock trading or investing, you might have come across the Trading Cafe. It's marketed as a community for traders, offering trade ideas, market analysis, live rooms, and even mentorship programs. Sounds great if you're new and want to learn from others, right? But here's the deal. While the Trading Cafe is a real platform and not a total scam, some users say it feels more hype than helpful. A few complain about unclear pricing, aggressive upsells, and not getting the value they expected. Also, like many trading education platforms, results vary. What works for one person might not work for you. So, is it legit or scam? It's not fake. You'll get access to the content you pay for. But whether it helps you make money, that depends on your goals and how much you put in. Always do your research before spending money. Let me know if you've tried the Trading Cafe. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.